Welcome to this video on the 5 essential elements of a great inspirational speech. Inspirational speeches have the power to motivate, inspire, and move people to action. But what makes a great inspirational speech? In this video, we'll explore the key elements that make up a powerful and effective inspirational speech, and provide you with tips for writing your own. The first essential element of a great inspirational speech is storytelling. Stories have the power to captivate our attention and connect with us on an emotional level. To make your speech truly inspirational, use personal stories, anecdotes, or examples to illustrate your points and make them more relatable to your audience. The second essential element of a great inspirational speech is clarity of purpose. Your speech should have a clear and specific message that you want to convey to your audience. Avoid being vague or ambiguous, and focus on expressing your ideas in a clear and concise manner. The third essential element of a great inspirational speech is emotion. Your speech should evoke strong emotions in your audience, whether it's excitement, joy, fear, or anger. Use your body language, tone of voice, and words to convey the emotions you want your audience to feel. The fourth essential element of a great inspirational speech is a call to action. Your speech should motivate your audience to take some form of action, whether it's to volunteer, donate, or change their behavior. Be explicit in your call to action, and make it clear what steps your audience can take to make a difference. The fifth and final essential element of a great inspirational speech is a strong conclusion. Recap your message, and remind your audience of the action you want them to take. End with a memorable quote, a powerful statement, or a call to action that leaves your audience feeling inspired and motivated.